What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? Hey, what's happening, party people? Welcome, welcome. I am TonyaNicole, and welcome, guys, to my channel. Today, we are unboxing the Naked Beauty box. I'm so excited to see what February has in store. So if you guys want to see what's in the Naked Beauty box, don't move. Stay right there. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, guys, welcome. As I said before, I'm your hostess with the mostest, TonyaNicole, and welcome, welcome. Today, y'all, we have a double header on this beautiful Friday. This morning, I will be unboxing Naked Beauty Box, and at 5 p.m. today, I will be unboxing Seductive Pleasure. That is Central Standard Time. So for the remainder of the month, on our Monday, Wednesday, Fridays, we're going to be doing 2 videos since I have so many boxes that I need to unbox for this month. So yes, guys, make sure that your bells are on and make sure that you are tuned in 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. I'm excited for that. I will not be doing any shout outs in this video because I put them in the Seductive Pleasures video that's going to be available at 5. So please, 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 please watch it, guys. Oh, girl, I messed my hair up. But right now we're doing the Naked Beauty box. So we're going to get some specs in and boo, we're going to unbox it. Oh, for my drink today, I have a little bit of water. So let's take a dance break and a drink break. All righty, y'all. So here we have the Naked Beauty box. This is a skincare box. You're supposed to receive 5 full-size skincare products each month that are cruelty-free, non-toxic, and vegan. That's one thing that I really love about this box. The box is $35.99 each month, plus free shipping. We love that. It's supposed to be valued between $85 and $150. And if you use the code TONYA20, you will receive 20% off of your first box. So, boo, y'all better use that 20%. So without further ado, let's get this Naked box on and poppin', boo. When we open her up, I already cut it open, guys. This is what she is looking like on the inside right there. We do get a little pamphlet each month, and it has the products and prices in here. So I'll put that at the bottom of the screen. And we're not gonna waste no time. Let's just go. Alrighty, so first thing that I'm pulling out is from Gypsy Soul, and this is a clean fragrance. It's rose, let's see, essential oil blend, and it's 60 milliliters in here. This is the Gypsy Soul perfume. It says, with an aroma as free and soft as its name, Gypsy Soul perfume is a complex and intimate blend that combines with each individual's chemistry to create a uniquely personal fragrance. Each essential oil in the blend provides an inviting aroma of its own, but when it's combined, these oils offer a distinct scent that intrigues the senses of both the wearer and those passing by. Oh, girl. Okay. So it says lightly tap on your wrist, but don't rub it together. Put on your neck, behind your ears. Okay, cool, guys. This retails for $40, and that's what she's looking like. And girl, I'm gonna have to take a little spritz. Let's see. Oh, I sprayed my eye. Oh, I do smell essential oils. I'm gonna tap it on in. Oh, I like the scent. I really do. It's not super strong. It smells fresh, like a fresh scent. Oh, it's nice and clean. I do like this, and this one is $40. So next product up is from Guava. This is a lip scrub. Let's see. So it says Note to Self Skin Guava Lip Scrub. This retails for $7.50, guys. It says scrub away dry, flaky, and dead skin with our flavored sugar lip scrub. Our lip scrub will keep your lips nice and smooth while providing gentle exfoliation and much needed moisture. Ooh. It has a guava flavor. It's vegan. It's 1 ounce in here, and it has coconut oil, sugar, and vitamin E oil. And I do like a good old lip scrub because my lips always are dry. Oh my goodness. It smells like, oh, I can't put my finger. It's like maybe a Laffy Taffy. I think a Laffy Taffy. I want to eat it. That's what it looks like right there, my loves. A nice, beautiful peach color. I love that. And I told you guys that this retails for $7.50. So next product up is from Grice Beauty. And this is the Muscle and Joint Deep Muscle Body Oil. Okay, I'm going to tell y'all right now, this has me sold. I don't know why, but I have been getting a lot of stress in my shoulders, and girl, I just need a good body oil that's going to help to massage these old muscles, girl. And peppermint flavor seems like it's okay with me. That's what it's looking like right there, my loves. In here, you get 4 ounces of product. Let me sniff this because I know it smells good. Oh, just like I said, it smells just like a peppermint in a bottle. I cannot wait to rub this on my body. Like this, ooh, this is a good one, Naked Beauty Box. I like this. This product right here, guys, is helpful for chronic aches and pains and contracted areas such as a stiff neck and upper back. Girl, your low back, legs, muscle tightness, and sore shoulders. This is an excellent for a deep tissue massage. And oh yes, baby, I'm definitely using this. This right here, guys, retails for $37, and I'm excited. I'm excited. Yes, I like this. And then we have this that's all foamed wrap. Let's open it and see. Ooh, the bottle is very pretty. Ooh, look at this, y'all. Nice, isn't it? I like it. And this is a Miracle Glow Cleansing Oil. You get 1 ounce of product in here. It says apply to dry skin, massage on skin for 60 seconds. You're going to pat it dry and use twice a day. Alrighty. It does have a little pump right here. And I do like this. I'm going to squirt a little bit in my hand so I can see how it feels. Let's see. Oh, it doesn't have a scent actually, but it feels really nice on my hands. I do like that. Oh, let's see what this retails for, y'all. So this is the Miracle Glow Cleansing Oil. It retails for $25. And this is a Miracle Glow oil that effectively cleanses your skin while maintaining natural moisture levels, removes blackheads and excess oils on your skin. This cleansing oil is infused with radiance boosting oils that give your skin smooth, clear, glowing complexion. Alrighty, y'all. $25. The packaging is gorgeous. I love it. Love it. And then our last product is right here in this bubble wrap. Let's just go ahead and pull it out. This is what it's looking like, my loves. Isn't that gorgeous? I love this type of bottle. You get 1.3 ounces of product in here. And this is from Camille Beauty. I hope I'm saying that right. This is a green clay mask. This is a dry face mask that is ideal for combination oily and acne prone skin, me. The French green clay pulls out all of the oils and toxins from your skin and may help remove impurities, tighten your pores, tone your skin, and exfoliate dead skin cells, all while reducing inflammation and acne. Alrighty, I'm very excited with this, y'all. And it has seaweed and green tea in it. You're gonna mix a half a tablespoon with a half a tablespoon of water, witch hazel, rose water, lemon juice, or plain yogurt. You're gonna smooth this all over your face, let it dry for 10 to 20 minutes, and take it off before it completely dries. All right, cool. I'm excited about this. This, I told you guys, is $9. All right, loves, that was our final product in this month's Naked Beauty Box. We're going to quickly recap, do final thoughts, and we're going to be done. So we received from Miracle Glow this cleansing oil right here. From Camille Beauty, this green clay face mask. From Note to Self Skin, this Guava Lip Scrub. From Gypsy Soul, this perfume right here. And last but not least, from Grice Beauty, this Muscle and Joint Body Rub. So these 5 products right here, loves. I'm going to put the grand total somewhere around here so that you guys can see. And my final thoughts on this box is I actually really enjoyed the box this month. This is one, guys, that I have grown to love. Y'all know I really wasn't rocking with skincare boxes too much, But this one right here changed my mind. The products that I have tried in this box have been like game changing to my skincare. And I'm so happy that I received this box because I'm telling you, y'all, it's pretty good. I am most excited about this Grice Beauty Muscle and Joint Body Oil. This sold me. I need it because I'm always just so achy. I love the fact that they gave us a perfume this month, a lip scrub, a cleansing oil, a face mask. That I mean, I love it. I think that this box is a winner chicken dinner. Yes. Please, 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 guys, let me know down below in the comments what your thoughts are on this box. I really enjoyed this box. Let me know what you would rate this box. If I had to rate it on a scale of 1, being this box is garbage, throw it in the damn river. To 5, being this box is the bomb.com. Boo, you know what I'm saying. I'm going to give the Naked Beauty box for the month of February a whopping 4 for this month. I enjoy the products. So yeah, I'm excited about using them, y'all. Don't forget, if you have not subscribed to your girl, make sure you do so. Follow me on Instagram as well as Twitter. And please, guys, give this video a big thumbs up if these are the types of videos you like seeing from your girl. And that's all that I have, my loves. I will see you all in the comments. And at 5 p.m., don't forget, 5 p.m., we have Seductive Pleasure. So I will see you guys in that video as well. So be blessed, guys. Enjoy the rest of your morning. I'll see you at 5. Bye.